guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host LC, and this is the Super Kids Art Club. Hey guys, it's LC here, and in today's video, we're going to be making Pokemon butterflies. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of the Super Kids Art Club. Okay guys, here's some of the supplies that you're going to need for today's project. Okay guys, let's get our yellow piece of paper and fold it diagonally. And do the same thing for the opposite side. Now let's fold it in half. And do the same thing for the opposite side. Then fold in your paper like this, till it creates a triangle shape. Don't forget to fold down the creases. Now let's take this end and fold it in half. Then take your scissors and cut around this end to make a round shape. Then take this little part right here and fold it up in the center. Do it on both sides. Now you see this pointy bottom piece right here? This is actually going to go all the way around to the top. But before we do that, let's start drawing our Pikachu. So I'm going to grab my black marker and start shading in for his ears. Alright, now let's draw a circle for his eyes. So just draw one larger circle and one little half circle inside of it and shade everything but that half circle. Now on the two upper flaps, I'm just going to draw two triangles on each side. Then a small upside down triangle for his nose. Now I'm going to draw half circles on each side for his cheeks. That looks great! We're getting so close. Okay, let's grab our red marker and color in his rosy red cheeks. And then just give him a little smirk. Now let's grab that bottom piece and wrap it all around the back to the front and fold it like this. Then just take it, fold it in half, and push down a little bit. And there you go, it's your very own Pikachu butterfly. Now you can't do Pokemon without a Pokeball. All you need to do is get a white piece of paper and follow the steps as before. Then you just take your black marker, draw a line with a circle in the middle and another line after it. Grab your red marker and color in the top. Awesome! Your very own Pokemon butterflies. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And remember, if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I will be posting new videos every week. See you later, Super Kids!